Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In this video, we are looking at Tweek, a planning tool built around weekly clarity. If you like seeing your entire week at once and planning work at by day instead at lists, this tool might fit your style. Let's walk through how it's used properly. This is Tweek's homepage. For those who don't have the link is down in the description below. You can sign up with your Google. You can sign up right here. You can sign up right here, email, name, email, password, and you can sign in with your Google or you can create either way you can. So for me, I have the account. I'm going to log in. Tweak is built around weekly planning. Instead of long tasks, you start the week Monday through Sunday. The idea is simple. You decide when work happens before you decide what to do. What we're going to do right now, I want you to add tasks directly for specific days, one task per line, clear, short. This helps you avoid overloading a single day. If a day looks full, you move tasks to the other. So this is how you add your task. I'm just gonna make this typically for today. So you just click right here, and what you do is you just write down your task. So my first one is work. Once you're done with that, okay, I have to work. If you want to add, maybe make it a bit bold, you can, but if you want to use other features like repeat or reminders, you have to upgrade to the other plan. You can also share this task, based on web, or you can just add people to also collaborate your tasks to also see that. So once that is done, you just add them. You can just add another one also if you have more than one. For us, let's just make 4 to 3 examples more. Simple, easy, and done. Automatically, I know that today's February 4. I have to work, send my PDFs, have a client meeting, have a call. So this is all situated on today's section. This allows us to see the overview of the whole day brightly and knowing that these are the 4 things that I'm doing directly today. This is the strength. You can see your entire week at once. No hidden views, no filters, just a clear picture of your workload. This makes planning feel calm and realistic. As you work, you complete your tasks, finish your task like this, and it disappears. Unfinished tasks stays visible, like here on the second, you can see it's all visible. This keeps your focus on what matters. As you can see, I've just done my task at working and it's already been scratched off, representing that I'm actually done with it. Works best for people who like time based planning, people who think days, not lists, people who want to avoid endless backlogs. It's not built for complex projects, it's built for clarity across the week. For context, this is how we approach daily execution in LemTask. Tasks are captured fast, you can plan habits and work together. And when it's time to focus, you press immediately. So once you click on the link, this is LemTask's homepage. Once you click on it, it will take you straight here. You just get for free. You just put in your name, email, and password, and you create your account. This is LemTask's dashboard. This is how it looks. LemTask has a lot of features to help you stay productive and able to keep track of your tasks that you're doing each and every day. And as you can see by the dashboard, you have today, you have inbox, you have upcoming. It shows you already what you have to do and what you have to execute on. I'm just going to go to straight to a feature that I use the most that helps me schedule my tasks efficiently and easily without typing. So once you're here, I just wanted to go to the brain dome right here. And as you can see, we have a lot of options to turn into tasks. What I want you to do is I want you to start the voice section. This is the one I recommend and use highly. So you having a meeting today with my CEO. Once you've done that, as you can see, I'm having a meeting today with my CEO. Then I just, if I want to customize my time, I can. If you prefer the times at the bottom, you can also choose. Then I just rank a low, medium, or high priority if this task is to me. Then I just add it like that. And I've scheduled a task that I'm going to do today. As you can see on my dashboard, it has appeared that I have a meeting today with my CEO. By just using my voice, I just schedule my task like that at LemTask. So I'm just going to make a second video, a second task take for you so you guys know how this voice feature works. Sending out invoices today. Once I've done that, so on my dashboard, you can see I've already added my two text, and you can see due to the arrangement of times, my first task is at 4, my others is at 10 to 5. So basically, you can see that it goes according to the order and based on the timeline. So I want you us to go to the today section strictly so that we focus on today. This certain section is all about what I'm doing today. So once I have used the voice feature, what's left for me to do is when the time hits for me to do my task, I stay on top of it, I focus, and once I'm done, I just click tick right here just to show that this is my execution, and once that is done with, it's complete and I get points for productivity completed. Tweek is a strong tool for weekly planning. It helps you stay realistic. It helps you to avoid overload and it keeps your week visible at all times. If you like planning by day, the style works well. The key is choosing the tool that matches how you think about time.